Alright, we're going to do the famous one-hand job. Take this off, take this off, take this off. I'm missing the fourth one somehow. You don't need to pull this all the way out, the casing. The spring is right here. You see how the spring is? Okay, we're gonna slide it in on the left. It's a square box. Slide it in, and the position of the spring again. You see how it is, okay? One more time. Position of the spring is the only important part. Right here. And the square box will go in when the thin part is toward you. As a thin, well, let me show it to you. This part right here is thick and thin. So with the thin part straight in, okay? Then this part right here needs to clear, so you just lift and press, okay? See, I did not do this right, because you're supposed to, if you don't do the spring right, this doesn't pop up, so I got distracted. It needs to be done where okay, position, you see that tab right there? It's kind of like flat. It goes in that groove. Same thing on the other side, okay? And the spring is attached. Now, the position of the spring is like this. This is how it is. High on this side, low on this side. Now, the low side will be on this edge. Keep moving it till this edge will be on the spring, resting on the spring. And if you did it correctly, see, right now I'm not getting a bounce. I'm pushing it, no bounce. You have to move the spring manually. Now this line is matching the spring line. Now I'm getting the bounce. It's resting on the spring on the left side. Now I'm getting the bounce. You push it down, let it go. Push it down, let it go. Once you've done that, close it up. Put this on. I'm one-handed right now, so put it on and you're done, okay? That's it. Here's the position of the spring one more time. And again, this line right here is resting on the spring. It's a weird setup. Bye.